Diodes are crucial components in electronics that ensure current flows in one direction, preventing overheating in devices like smartphones. They serve various functions, primarily rectification, which converts alternating current, AC, to direct current, DC. A typical diode consists of two layers of semiconductor materials, P-type and N-type, that create a PN junction. The P-type layer has an abundance of holes, positive charge carriers, while the N-type has excess electrons, negative charge carriers. When these layers are joined, they form an electric field at the junction, which is essential for the diode's operation. When a forward voltage is applied, the diode conducts current, allowing it to function effectively in electronic circuits. Understanding diodes is vital for anyone interested in electronics, as they play a significant role in the safe and efficient operation of various devices. This tutorial aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of diodes, their construction, and their practical applications in modern technology.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.